This bird was a terrible mother and left her newborn baby to die. She and her partner had just hatched a nest of beautiful babies. And at first, everything seemed perfect as the loving parents took turns caring for their new family. But things took a dark turn when they noticed she was ignoring one of the chicks, refusing to feed it. With the tiny baby growing weaker, the owner knew they had to step in. They placed the chick in an incubator to keep it warm and began feeding it by hand around the clock. Soon, the other babies hatched and something amazing happened. The parents started taking care of all the chicks together, even the one they first rejected. With the love of their parents and a little help, all the babies grew up strong and healthy. And you'll never believe which one turned out to be the biggest of them all.